I call this a painting of nothing. It's a great exercise to loosen your hand up and paint away without worrying about making mistakes. The idea is you paint from the middle out, because in the middle you have your white colours and your brush will be nice and clean in the middle, but don't come back over your work. Try to do it in the least number of brush strokes as you can, and don't miss anything. Cover the whole board. Don't leave any spaces where you have to come back. And you can work over the white and the yellow together, but don't overwork it. We don't want it all smudgy. We just like fresh brush strokes everywhere. That's Indian yellow and titanium white I'm using there. Any white will do, as long as it's a nice bright white. And the Indian yellow, you can use any yellow there also. I've added crimson to the outside, and double loading the brush with a bit of crimson and a bit of white. You can put in these loose brush strokes and leave your white on the inside of the brush strokes. Then you go around the outside with a bit of burnt sienna and a bit of brown, and you can add whatever you like to that. You get that terrific tunnel look, and you can add people or dogs or birds or someone you know or anything you wish. I've decided to put trees in here, and I like painting trees, and it's fun it's easy for me because I've done it so often. So you can practice that also, but keep the trees leaning in and try double loading your brush with the white on the inside and the dark on the outside, and then use bold brush strokes again. Make sure you load plenty of paint on your brush. You can't go wrong here because we're making it up as you go along, and you can't make a mistake. If you make a mistake, turn it into something else. You can also practice with the painting knife. Load the painting knife in the same way with the dark on one side and the light on the other, and paint in your tree trunks or whatever. Remember, the full version of this lesson is available free on my website, paintwithlen.com.
Now, I know it's not easy to do, but if you can leave your painting at this stage and then do another one, and another one, and another one, and if you're not happy with them, paint them over white and do some more. But the idea is to loosen up and work from light to dark, everything facing into the picture. But then, of course, if you can't stand having it like that, let's put some branches in and just keep painting and painting. It's fun.